So thank you, Betty, and thanks to all of you for coming out. And 120 cars is pretty awesome. It's one of our highest to date, so thank you very much. Appreciate it. We're going to get started with this raffle and then get rocking with the trophies. Suzette Whitey.
Yep.
Angelica, is it Pelka? Bonnie Lucas is the winner of the basket, and she's not here, so we will make sure she gets that. David Lawson. David Lawson.
Folder.
We have Bonnie Lucas again. She was lucky.
Maybe I got your.
Marcy Glenn.
You know what, honey? You want to clear it? I'll show you where she is. It's really good.
David Lawson.
Regina, I'll take those for him.
Okay. Russ Corcoran. Bruce Lamps. Larry Glenn.
Be careful. Be careful.
We have ticket number, green ticket, 212585. Is it? I want to see your ticket. I never trust a Packers fan.
Oh!
It's here. Oh, I can't even see. What'd you say the number was?
Oh, our DJ had it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I quit looking.
212585. All right. Got another green ticket. 212958. 212958.
You got it?
Got it?
Yeah. You don't have to look for that one either. Oh, by the way. Sorry, he's outside. I try to get where the light's at. I can't see.
I don't blame you. Thank you, buddy.
Green ticket, 212673. It's the DJ again. Green ticket, 213136. 213136.
Yay! She one of them.
My socks! No, wait, that's not the ticket. I gotta find it. That's all right, I believe it. It's probably good.
Okay, green ticket, 212593.
Fixed.
So it's the DJ again. Let me explain a little something though before y'all think we fixed his drawing. Mr. Bickett gave a nice donation, and we did the length of his truck all the way to the end of his sound trailer. So if he wins a couple things, that would be why.
That boy.
All right. And we have the jewelry.
DJs.
Well, I don't have to look at these anyway. Signed them. I forgot. Somebody gave me their tickets, and I've been looking at them. I forgot. You told me to
Ticket.
sign them. They're in Campbell.
212390. 212390.
DJs.
It's not the DJ. 212390.
Oh, there he is.
All right, so that's our raffle. We did an